Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes, love balconies, love the energy. Walking down a street in Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down a street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Take a stroll in Saigon, it's what you need.
Okay, I'm in Vietnam, Saigon, and I'm in the biggest mall in Saigon called Crescent City. Maybe the biggest mall in Vietnam. So we're just going to take a look at it and check it all out and show you what it looks like as well. Oh yeah, so that right there is Saigon's largest shopping mall. And so we have it up on the map so you can see exactly where it is. And I also, the music at the beginning part is something that I create and then I put it into AI to make it into music form. So I'll put the lyrics behind me as well. And then just so that you guys know, I'm going to be exploring more of Saigon. There's 29 videos. This is about halfway through. So that means I have a lot more to upload. So come and watch some of those too. So this particular one is the largest mall in Saigon. Let's do the walk and talk where I narrate through the mall. Okay, so we're in the biggest mall and we're going to check it all out. So this is called Crescent City, and I'm just going to turn the camera on and off in different places, but at least you kind of get an idea. First impression is it's bigger than I thought, but we'll check it all out. And I think I saw a Sizzler somewhere, but what my plan I think was just to go up to the top and then we're going to come back down. Yeah, there's a Sizzler next to King Barbecue. Okay, so we got a bistro. This is the top floor, so I think it's the 5th floor. And you got KFC, pizza, lots of Japanese, ramen. This one's Thai and Vietnamese, Thai Express. More Japanese. So we're gonna just kind of go through here a little bit and just see what we can see here. We'll see what they have. Thai Express has Thai food. The prices are pretty good. 95,000 is about $2, $3 maybe. So let me just kind of see. We're gonna meander around a little bit. Check out some of the food prices. Kind of spaghetti with meat. Sure looks pretty good. Some of those look like something I might get. 98,000 Vietnamese dong, so that's probably about $2, something like that. Here's dim sum, so you got Chinese as well. And I'm gonna go up there and see, show some more. Let's see, this one's called Pepper Lunch. That one's out of Japan. Here's a movie theater. Let's see. I don't see any movie listing, but it's there. And then we got across the way, we got Dairy Queen, Taiwan sausage, Time Zone. I think this is going to be mostly kind of play stuff. We'll go around it real quick. So we're still kind of exploring. There's Loteria. Those are the other 5 stories. It looks like there's more over there, so it looks like you can climb a wall. Oh, 6 stories. Well, looks like 5 and 6 is the Crescent wall. And then, so there's basically 5 floors plus the Crescent wall, which is 5 and 6. Loteria. This is a chain from is it Korea or Japan. Okay, so we got more Japanese, Chinese steakhouse, and then it looks like that goes up, and this goes over to the Crescent wall, and there's more restaurants down that way as well. So I guess then this Khao Lao, is that a Laotian food or Thai food or something? So it looks like, yeah, it is. I think it's Lao. Huh. That's interesting. So, okay, so that's kind of the food court area, and I'm just gonna get to some other stuff, so we'll see what else we got. Chow, fish, trong. Okay, so I'm gonna jump ahead way down there somewhere. Looks like there is a 6th floor. There's a music schools up there too. Anyways, we're back at the pepper lunch, and then we got some sweets, photoshops, ramen. So that's gonna more or less sum it up for the 5th floor. I might get something to eat, and I'm gonna go down and check out the other floors. Before I go down, here's a Hong Kong one, and that one is actually so large that there's a second one way down there too. Same branch. Got a big sukiya, Japanese. Looks like Japanese and Thai and Laotian, and I haven't seen that many Vietnamese ones. There's American ones too. There's KFC in Lotte area, which was either Korean or Japanese. I'm gonna go for the Vietnamese though. So I'm at the food court. I got some lemon iced tea, kind of Vietnamese style. We'll see. And then I'm gonna get something over there too, so I'll show that to you as well. Food court. Okay, this is what I got. So I got diced beef. I don't know if that's ketchup, but I definitely got that. And then they have a choice of either spaghetti or rice. So I chose the spaghetti one. And then they gave me a free drink as well. So that's in addition to the one I bought separately. All right. Okay, so we're gonna go down to the 4th floor. See what this is all about. Okay, so on the 4th floor we got Robbins department store. It's like there's like Robinsons in Thailand and Philippines. This Vietnam is Robbins. Got a Thomas the Train, you got massage chairs. I think the 4th floor looks, there's mother healthcare, clothing. I don't think it's worth exploring too much on this floor with a camera. I'm gonna go down to the 3rd floor. There's another train image there. So there's anyways, we're gonna go down to the next floor. There's a bookstore. But we are going to go down. So we're going to be going down to the 3rd floor. So that's our next one. The 3rd floor under the Robbins, we got a sports one. Supersports.com. More exercise machines, Johnson. I don't know if this looks so interesting either. There's Sony down there, so there's computer, electronics, Samsung, Armor More. Down there's H&M on the next floor down. There's a bunch of stuff down that way too, but it looks like kind of your just typical mall stuff. So we are on number 3. There's stuff down that way. Future World, Hot Mart is up on 4. Loteria is up on 5. And we're gonna go down from 3 down to 2. Under Armour, Samsonite luggage. Let's see what 2 looks like. It's like we're coming down to Robbins again. So 4 was Robbins and 2 is Robbins. Birkenstock. So basically it looks like a nice big mall with all your kind of typical stuff. There's an H&M right there. Okay, so at least you're getting an idea of the mall. There's some H&M still. See more foreigners here, more with, also see some mixed kids, families, and I think this is in District 7, which is kind of a probably, I think it might be one of the most affluent neighborhoods in the city, I think. There's also a Muji over there, a Japanese one. MLB, sports shops. I think we're gonna go down again, one more. Okay, so there's the Gap. It's all the floors that we basically did. We didn't go through every floor of everything, but this one looks like they have cars, play area, Banana Republic, Mango, Fred Perry, Lacoste, kind of all your typical mall stuff is the best way to describe it, I guess. Another Muji and a Robbins. And I guess this would be the store directory. So you kind of got a little bit of everything. Okay, so I'm gonna probably end it. Okay, so I might go outside and film, maybe or maybe not. I don't know yet. But I'm gonna give a conclusion. So this is the biggest mall in Saigon, and at least you have a taste for it. And I think what we're gonna do is just go to an ending for it. Okay, so that was the outside of Crescent Mall, and then I guess we're kind of in this suburban space. We're in something called District 7, which is a affluent neighborhood, and got like kind of busy streets, like everywhere. I guess we're gonna end it for Crescent City, biggest mall in Saigon, District 7.